Welcome. This is a short video about some features on Google Slides. And the first one we're going to talk about is if you want to create a separate calendar, all you have to do is just find this plus button right here, click on it, create new calendar, fill in the calendar information, go back, and it basically shows right here. Next thing we're going to talk about is if you want to add an event or a reminder or a task, there's two ways to do it. You can either click create, fill in the information, click save, and then drag and drop it wherever you want. Or you could just scroll to where you want to add it, click in the empty space, fill in the information. Next thing we're going to do is if you want to add a notification, if you want to set a notification, for your events, you just click on them, click on this pencil thing, add notification. You can choose if you want it to be an email or just a regular notification. Choose the time, press save. Next thing is if you want to add people, if you want to share this event with people, you click on it, click on the pencil, and where it says add guests, you just put in whoever you want to share this to, their email address in there. And basically what happens is they'll get an email that's inviting them to whatever event you're having. And also, if you want to share the whole calendar with them, so that if in case you add anything to it or remove anything, they just get an update. You can just click on the three dots, select settings and sharing, scroll down, add people, and then you can choose what permissions they have, and then press send. And basically, when you share the whole entire calendar with somebody, they basically get to access whatever you add or delete from it instead of having to share like a single event every time you add one, if you know what I mean.